Welcome to 5-Minute English. Today we'll learn about Topic 16, Nature, Environment Words. Let's get started. Before we start, here's an interesting trivia question for you. What is the largest rainforest in the world? Think about it while we learn. Great. Now let's dive into today's vocabulary words. Pay attention and practice along.
Protect environment. To keep the environment safe.
Example: we must protect the environment for future generations.
Reduce pollution. To lessen harmful waste in nature.
Example: we can reduce pollution by recycling more.
Conserve resources. To use resources wisely and sparingly.
Example: we should conserve resources to protect nature.
Plant trees. To put trees in the ground to grow.
Example: they decided to plant trees in the park.
Clean up. To remove dirt and waste from an area.
Example: let's clean up the beach after the festival.
Respect nature. To honor and appreciate the natural world.
Example: we need to respect nature and its resources.
Challenge climate change. To take action against global warming.
Example: we must challenge climate change for future safety.
Encourage sustainability. To promote practices that support ecological balance.
Example: schools encourage sustainability in their programs.
Advocate recycling. To support and promote recycling efforts.
Example: many people advocate recycling to reduce waste.
Speak. To say words or talk.
Example: I speak English every day.
Biodiversity. The variety of life in the world or ecosystem.
Example: biodiversity is crucial for a healthy ecosystem.
Ecosystem. A community of living organisms and their environment.
Example: an ecosystem includes plants, animals, and climate.
Pollution. The presence of harmful substances in the environment.
Example: pollution affects both health and nature.
Conservation. The protection and preservation of natural resources.
Example: conservation efforts help protect endangered species.
Vocabulary. All the words someone knows.
Example: building vocabulary takes time and practice.
Excellent work. Now let's see these words in action with a real conversation. Now let's practice these words with a dialogue conversation.
Hey, have you heard about the new community project to clean up the park?
Yes, I have. It's great that people are coming together to protect the environment.
Exactly. We need to reduce pollution and conserve resources for future generations.
I agree. Planting trees is also a fantastic way to encourage sustainability.
And we should advocate recycling more in our neighborhood.
For sure, it's important to respect nature and promote biodiversity in our ecosystem.
Let's get involved and speak out about the challenge of climate change.
Absolutely. Together, we can make a difference.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Time for some fun practice with our quick pronunciation game.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say each of the 15 words, and you repeat after me.
Protect environment. Reduce pollution. Conserve resources. Plant trees. Clean up. Respect nature. Challenge climate change. Encourage sustainability. Advocate recycling. Speak. Biodiversity. Ecosystem. pollution, conservation, vocabulary.
Here's the answer. The correct answer is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the answer because it is the largest rainforest in the world. It covers a big area in South America. This rainforest is home to many plants and animals. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 5-Minute English Fast with MD. See you next time.